So, we have some exciting news today about the highly anticipated Meta Quest 3. In a recent article from Bloomberg and some insider information, we managed to get some hands-on experience with the Meta Quest 3 before its official release. So, let's dive right into it and explore what this new virtual reality headset has in store for us. First, let's talk about the design of the Meta Quest 3. It's reportedly lighter and thinner than its predecessor, the Quest 2, giving it a sleek and comfortable feel. The front of the device has a new design featuring 3 vertical pillow-shaped sensors, likely used for tracking and depth perception. Using fabrics instead of plastic on the sides adds a touch of elegance to the headset. Now, here's the exciting part. The Meta Quest 3 is equipped with 2 color video pass-through cameras and a standard camera for tracking. This marks the first time a Quest headset will have a depth sensor, allowing for a more immersive mixed reality experience. Imagine interacting with virtual objects that seamlessly blend with your real-world surroundings. It's truly a game changer. But what about the performance? Hands-on experience shows that the Meta Quest 3 offers impressive performance in various aspects. Users reported that navigating the device's interface, launching apps, and playing games felt notably faster and smoother than its predecessor, the Quest 2. This enhanced performance can be attributed to the headset's second-generation Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 chipset, which delivers improved processing power. In fact, rumors are suggesting that the Meta Quest 3 features an upgraded XR3 chipset, further boosting its performance capabilities. With these advancements, users can expect a seamless and lag-free virtual reality experience that would immerse them in a world of limitless possibilities. Now, let's shift our focus on the controllers. The Meta Quest 3 introduces a redesigned set of controllers, taking inspiration from the ones included with the high-end Quest Pro. These new controllers boast a sleek design that perfectly complements the overall aesthetics of the headset. One noticeable change is the absence of the large ring that was present on the Quest 2 controllers. While this may seem unusual initially, it allows for a more streamlined and ergonomic grip, enhancing comfort during gameplay. Moreover, the Meta Quest 3 controllers have opted not to include the cameras found on the Quest Pro controllers. Instead, they're expected to rely on IR sensors for precise tracking, similar to the hand tracking technology in previous Quest models. This choice simplifies the design and opens up possibilities for improved hand gestures and interactions within virtual environments. IR sensors enable the controllers to accurately detect their position and movement, ensuring a responsive and immersive gaming experience. Additionally, one of the most exciting aspects of the Meta Quest 3 is its mixed reality capabilities. Now, let's delve into the mixed reality capabilities of the Meta Quest 3. With its advanced sensors and tracking technology, this headset aims to blur the lines between the virtual and real world. The Meta Quest 3 incorporates pass-through technology, allowing users to seamlessly transition between the virtual and physical environments with a simple toggle. This means you can easily switch from playing a game in VR to seeing and interacting with your real-world surroundings without removing the headset. The pass-through feature also enables the Meta Quest 3 to overlay virtual objects onto the real world, opening up exciting possibilities for augmented reality experiences. Imagine placing virtual furniture in your living room or having virtual characters interact with the natural objects in your environment. The Meta Quest 3's mixed reality capabilities have the potential to revolutionize how we perceive and interact with our surroundings, creating a truly immersive and interactive experience. And finally, let's address the elephant in the room: the pricing. The Meta Quest 3 is expected to be competitively priced, offering consumers an affordable entry point into virtual reality. While the exact pricing details have not yet been confirmed, industry insiders speculate that Meta aims to balance affordability and cutting-edge technology by offering a high-quality VR experience at an accessible price point. The Meta Quest 3 can potentially attract a wider audience and expand the reach of virtual reality. This strategic pricing approach aligns with Meta's vision of making VR accessible to everyone and democratizing the technology. Whether you're a seasoned VR enthusiast or a newcomer to the virtual reality realm, the MetaQuest 3's expected pricing is set to make this advanced headset an enticing option for those looking to embark on immersive virtual adventures without breaking the bank. So there you have it. Our hands-on experience with the MetaQuest 3 has left us impressed and excited for its official release. From its sleek design and improved comfort to enhanced mixed reality capabilities, this headset has the potential to take virtual reality experiences to new heights. We'll keep a close eye on any further developments and updates, so subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and until next time!